So today I'm going to go right ahead and unbox this handlebar seat post pole mount. So yeah, basically I want to go right ahead and insert or install this handlebar mount on my bicycle, just in case if I ever, maybe go out and I want to capture some footage while I'm on my bicycle, I could go right ahead and do so. So this is basically the front of the box. Here we have the right hand side, nothing. And here we have the compatible with all Hero cameras. I was actually wondering because I did see it in Best Buy that this one was compatible with the Hero 5 Black, but I really wasn't sure if it was compatible with, with my Hero 7 Black. So yeah, it's like it is compatible. All right, so we have the back here. So attach your GoPro tubes. 0.35 to 1.4 inches, 9 to 33 millimeters in diameter, mount rotation 360 degrees. So it includes handlebar, seat post, pole mount, large rubber insert, small rubber insert, and vertical mounting buckle, thumb screw. Cool. Well, let's go right ahead and open this puppy up. See what we have here. See if I can open this up correctly. All right. Well, let's see. Okay. So it looks like here we have basically the mount for the handlebar. So I wonder how, actually, let's see if I can figure it out without reading the instructions. Oh wow. Oh, okay. So it looks like, yeah, so okay, so it basically opens up like this. So here we have the rubber inserts right here. So yeah, you could, and I believe, yeah, there was, so I guess this one was a small one. Let me see. Here we have, so it looks like this is the larger one that you can use, the larger insert. So just to compare them side by side, yeah, this is a larger one. All right, and let's see. So we have the thumb screw here, and we have, there you go. So we have this sliding mount right here. Anyways, basically the same generic all GoPro, design. So let's talk about, I thought, I didn't think it was gonna be like this. Basically this is my very first basically handlebar mount. But I mean, yeah, it looks gonna be, it looks promising, let's see. Oh, so it just basically just goes, oh, I had no idea that was in there. So the construction, it is hard plastic. It is not metal. And I know I read that it was 360. So I don't know if, let's see. Oh, score. So it looks like you could adjust exactly where you want the GoPro to go. So if you want, yeah, you just basically press this and you just direct the GoPro exactly where you want it, and it'll go right ahead and lock in. So that's a pretty cool little feature. Yeah, there we go, just locks in. Oh, all right, well, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go right ahead and install this handlebar mount. So basically I already kind of have everything squared away. I am using the one that came with it. This is the larger one, so I'm not using that one as of right now. So let's see, just tighten this up. So yeah, you can actually adjust it. So actually I'm going to go ahead and adjust it, let this loose a little bit more, and actually bring it a little bit, there we go, probably right around there. I'll probably leave it. So basically it's a fairly simple install as well as you know, you can go right ahead and release it. Fairly simple. So let's go right ahead and get the GoPro and let's get this set up. So just slide right in. There we go. So GoPro is installed.